So she's checking now to see if the library is open.
Focus, man.
That said, I'm gonna head out to the library. You know, a brother gotta get some knowledge, gotta see what they're working with out here. And I got the perfect guide she's gonna show me. She said it's a 15-minute walk. I don't believe her. I think it's gonna be more like 25, but we'll see what happens. So that's what's going down right now. So we finally made it. It was about a 12-minute walk from the fish place. And now we have arrived at the Kigali Public Library, and that's located on this street here, Kigali 511 Street. So do we have to check in?
Yeah.
Do we always? It's the Rwanda way. We don't have to do that at home. No. Only if it's like the airport, not for like everyday normal stuff. Okay. All right, so we're just checking in here, and then we're gonna go see what's inside of the airport. What am I saying? Inside of the library. But ask, it could be wrong. It might be wrong. But maybe it's from yesterday. You can always ask. So she's checking now to see if the library is open. It's open?
No, they're saying it's 5 and it's closed now. You are only allowed to rent. I need to go. To rent?
To borrow.
To borrow, yes. To borrow and just you're not allowed to sit inside and read because it's time. They close at 5.
The sign says something different.
But that's what you just
Are you serious? But I can film the outside, right? Yeah, I can film it. Right? Right. Okay. So, bad news, apparently. Remind me of that video. But nah, seriously. Apparently, the library is closed early today. I don't know if it's because tomorrow is a holiday. Tomorrow is the... How do you say it again? Umuganya. Yeah.
They're saying we are not allowed to film.
I'm not allowed to film? Okay. So we just got kicked out of the library. Apparently, they didn't want us to film. And it's closed anyway, so... Everybody here is so shy. I thought they were going to the library. Okay. Plan B. We're going to figure out a new place to go and film. We got to think of it though. Hold on. Straight. Feet again.
I did.
It's nice, not sweaty, not cold. It's ideal. got to get in line. As you can imagine, this is pretty popular. Everybody wants to get their picture in front of the Kigali sign, let you know that they're really here.
Such thing as a life that's better than your... Focus, man.